Good day, everyone. Ali's here from Safi Financial Network. Today is May 1st, 2023. Here is S&P 500 daily chart. This is a monthly edition, folks, and forgive me about the late video today. So this should be come up during last weekend, which I was not available at all. So I was backpacking to the Sunshine Coast, beautiful area west of the Vancouver, and we just took two ferries going there. It's absolutely recommended for everyone. If you have got a chance to go there and do the backpacking, enjoy your time. It's beautiful area, fantastic nature, so you should definitely experience that one. Anyway, so again, forgive me about this late video. I'm just recording this at 10:43 PST on May 1st, and you will get it probably next few hours. Here is S&P chart, S&P 500 daily chart, and this is sorry, monthly chart. And as the tradition for the monthly analysis, you're just doing the last day of the months, which come up to the May 1st. S&P 500 closed pretty much just below SMA 20. And this is a pretty interesting just because last entire year, like the last 12 months, we are just sitting below SMA 20. It's kind of like a consolidating. We just backtest SMA 50 monthly chart, which is going back to this wide range bar. And this wide range bar is pretty nice demand area. So we just got middle of this and then retracing back up. Everyone is saying SMA 50, I don't care. So SMA 50 is coming along with this wide range bar, so that's why it's getting important. Otherwise, it doesn't. And right now, we are just sitting below this. So look at the rejection here. So folks, for the last 12 months, whenever we got to this area, which is 41 to 4200 in S&P 500, market just tackle and rejected, except last month. So last month candle, look at that. So anytime we got there, rejected down, rejected down, rejected down. Last month, which is April, we just closed pretty much above the last trailing 12 months, which is definitely a bullish scenario. So it's kind of like a shifting structure, and we expect that this one, we expect that the March could be a bottoming formation for the market. And I was looking for kind of like a lower low or double bottom scenario as well, but cycle wise, we know that March would be the bottom. Fair enough. So March nailed the bottom. Market just forming pretty much bullish the entire month. And April was kind of like a bullish month as well. So look at the candle for the April, just a lower shadow, just a touch upper shadow, which is kind of like a ignorable. And right now we are just at months of May. So everyone is saying sell in May, go away. This is kind of like an old song. So we don't care about this anymore. Pretty much for the last 5 years or so. So don't worry about the May. Yeah, we have got some volatility. We have got a Federal Reserve meeting this coming Tuesday, Wednesday, and also on Wednesday we will have, I believe Thursday or Wednesday, we will have like Apple earning. Pretty important for the market. $3 billion market cap company. For sure, it's going to impact in Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq. And it's going to be just kind of like a leader for the market right now, along with Nvidia. So market right now is in decisive moment. If we close a monthly chart above SMA 20, we are going to sit another for bullish momentum to the upside and probably 43 to 4400. So that's going to be the level to getting back to this supply area, which hasn't been tested yet. The reason I'm just emphasizing on SMA 20 is this. So here is the COVID crash. We just closed 1 month below. The next month flip-flop to the backside. May 2020, we got back above this and look the bull run afterwards. So here is like a 2018. We just got 1 month flip-flop to the upside and bull run afterwards. 2015-16, kind of like a choppy, sloppy consolidation here. We got just a couple of times going back and forth, going back and forth. But when we close and initiate above this SMA 20, look at the rally afterwards. So we need to get close above SMA 20 and we need to sit above it. We shouldn't go back down because if it goes back down, it's going to get ugly. So I just want to show you something. Here is interesting scenario for 2000. 2000, we got below SMA 20. We didn't have a chance to have it back up again. and right now just a series of lower high, lower high to 2002 bottom. Here's 2008, 2007, 2009 market drop. So here's the top of the market, November 2007. We got back below SMA 20, back tested, and then sharp sell-off afterwards. Here's the capitulation. March 2009 was the bottom. Was March kind of like a pivotal point. So that's what I'm getting at. We need to get close. We need to get close above SMA 20 on a monthly basis, and we need to stay above it. Folks, just 1 month's close doesn't mean that we're going to just get back to the bullish momentum. Yes, that's definitely 70% of the bullish indicator. But all in all, based on my cycles, even if we get above this, I think market is going to get in choppy, sloppy moving forward in the next 3 to 5 months. And then we get close to the August, September, we should see a reversal is happening. I'm not sure for the October. October could be kind of like a volatile. September could be a volatile, and this volatility could be another drop to the downside to this area and even to this area. So when we get upside move to here, don't think market is getting back to the bullish momentum. At least I need to see the next cycle. But all in all, for the next 3 to 5 months, I'm looking for a bullish momentum. So we may see a down drop in months of June and probably later of the May, early June, which is kind of always volatile. But when we get a dip to the months of June, we should see a rally for the July and August. And August, after August, I should say traders, investors should be careful just because the next leg down is going to happen. And folks, don't forget, we are in a secular bear market, but here is the cyclical bull market. So we are in a cyclical bull market to here, to this area. But after we satisfy this level, we are getting back to the bearish momentum to the downside, probably to here. So we will see how it goes. Based on the indicators, we just got back above overbought condition. But right now, MACD is giving us a buying opportunity. So MACD is sloping up, a great signal. RSI, not a bad setup, but it's not that sharp and enough to get to the upside. So all in all, I should say sloppy, choppy to the upside for the next 3 to 5 months. But after that, people should be careful. Here is the weekly chart. So weekly chart, we are in an overbought condition. Stochastic wise, IMI is getting close again to the kind of like a danger zone. But this danger zone, I should say, it's going to be kind of like a nibbling down and then coming back up. So everyone is talking about head and shoulder. I told you, remember what? This is not head and shoulder, guys. Head and shoulder is not just a form. Needs to confirm with lots of indicators. I just put a video like a QM pattern head and shoulder educational session. It's going to be free for everyone. So I just put a link here. Make sure watch that video because that's going to give you idea how I'm looking at QM pattern and head and shoulder. Watch that video. Market is just going up in a weekly chart, going to the upside, and then coming back down probably again latter part of the May, and then we should see another rally to the upside, May, June, latter May, early June, and then after that we should see a bullish momentum to here. But I think that's going to be the top for the market. Let me just be a brief, concise here. So 42.26 to 43.27. So that's going to be a critical zone. Even we can just stretch above this 4,400. I should see the top for 2023. Indicator wise, anyway, if you want to slice it and dice it, except RSI, we are kind of like at the top information for weekly chart. So don't take it serious because that's going to be just a dead cat bounce. It's going to be a pullback and then we will see another rally to the upside. Here is the daily chart. Daily chart, we haven't finished the first day of months, but this is the way that I'm looking for. This is a great, so we just got back here, closed this pivotal point. We didn't satisfy our downside target, moving back up. So that's That's what I'm expecting, guys. Don't short the market when market is in bullish momentum. So that's what I'm trying to say. People are just forming another head and shoulders. This is not, folks. So let me see if market is satisfying our target. Then we can see a downside move to here and then rally to the upside again, 43, 4400. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to Nasdaq. Let me just forming the Nasdaq. Going to the monthly chart. So here's the monthly chart for Nasdaq, and pretty much the same analysis for S&P 500, except Nasdaq just had a very nice March, and then April, just a confirmation to the upside, and we could see kind of like a more stretch to the upside uh, for the next 3 to 5 months to 14,242, 15,249. I'm not expecting here, folks. So this is gonna be, I should just delete this one. I'm just expecting market Nasdaq is going back to this supply area and then sharp sell-off after that later for the year. And possibly this is gonna be the best buying case for Nasdaq, somewhere around 8,000 to 10,000 in 2024. So we'll see how it goes. But even if it goes there, you're still in uptrend. There is nothing has been changed, and probably this one is coming along with SMA 100 on the monthly chart, and also coming along with this top of the market prior COVID crash. So pretty nice area. So I'm looking for buyback. A lot of technology stocks there, but right now we should enjoy this small rally and then get prepared for the next sharp sell-off later this year, early 2024. Moving on to weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart, and we are just getting back here to overbought condition. Monthly, weekly MACD is kind of like informing bullish, pretty much momentum here in choppy. So we are kind of like forming a bullish consolidation here. This bullish consolidation can trigger to the upside. That could be kind of like a nice bullish momentum to here. So probably we just have a resistance here on 13,400, but this can have a pullback and then next leg up to 14,000 area. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to the daily chart. So daily chart, we are just still here in this consolidation area, breaking out to the upside. We'll see how it goes, but the next leg up is going to be 13,500. Moving on to Dow Jones. So this one is the best among the other one. This bullish consolidation can be repeat to be upside, to be honest. And Dow Jones, I wouldn't be surprised if you see a Dow Jones see new all-time high in 2023, while the other indexes are just struggling around, even in 60%, 61.8 Fibonacci retracement from the top to here. So Dow Jones, if this one triggers, which I believe it's going to trigger, and look what happened to this consolidation. This is the beauty of Dow Jones. The first index among all four goes above SMA 20. This is very important. And this formation, this bullish consolidation, is below this supply area, which is another bullish momentum. We trigger above this trend line. We're just closing above SMA 20. And just stochastic wise, we are getting back to overbought condition. However, look at the MACD. MACD is sloping up for a buy signal. So if Dow Jones triggers, this means financials and energy can outperform the other markets, the other sectors in 2023, and this can go up to 37,600 to 38,380. So that's going to be very important area for Dow Jones. For the top, I have long position in Dow Jones, US 30 in future market, and also a couple of good stocks in the Dow Jones, like financials, like energy. I'm pretty bullish for the entire year for the energy, but not in 2024, 2025. So we can just change our position to some technologies, which is kind of like giving us a buying opportunity when we have a crash in 2024. But right now, we are just sitting on the good stocks. This is a very nice candle on March. Pretty good breakout to the upside in months of April. So again, monthly chart for Dow Jones, bullish, bullish, bullish. Weekly chart, we are just getting back above this. Last week we had a very fantastic buying opportunity for Dow Jones. I would expect this one is coming down to here, then getting back up, but unfortunately it didn't satisfy like the rest. So I bought back here just a small position. I'm gonna keep this one. So look at the formation here. This is a pretty nice bullish flag or a bullish momentum to the upside. This is going to be a bull flag, and this pole can stretch to the upside to here to 39,000, which is going to be a new all-time high. And also as long as we are above this area, so that could be a kind of like a bullish momentum for Dow Jones. However, we are gonna see kind of like a short-term, I should say, again later of the months of May or early June, that could be a pullback, and that pullback could be a buying opportunity for a July-August rally. Moving on to the daily chart. So daily chart, we're just seeing pretty nice breakout to the upside on Friday. We are just having a choppy today, but Dow Jones is leading the market right now. So we will cover this in the daily analysis later this afternoon. I'm gonna post another one which is covering the all inter names and sectors. But right now we just finished up this monthly analysis, and we will get back pretty shortly with the daily analysis today. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.